Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab Active4 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert SD card into this tablet. Now, to get started, if you have this case on your device, you do need to take it off. And then at the bottom or at the back side of the device, you will find a little cutout right here where you can just plop your fingernail and start to pull off the cover. There we go. Now, once you take that off, you will have access to the battery and the actual SD card tray. So just plop your card here, push it in, and that's it. Should already have some kind of well, the battery just fell out. But in any case, you should have some kind of notification about your battery, not battery, but your SD card being inserted, and you can tap to set it up. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.